7 healthy breakfasts that help you lose weight. Choosing nutrient-rich breakfast foods, including eggs and smoothies, can help support weight loss by helping you feel fuller longer. When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the wrong foods can amplify your cravings before the day even begins. On the other hand, filling up on the right foods can curb cravings and keep you feeling full until lunchtime to minimize snacking and ease weight loss. Here are 15 healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 1. Eggs. Rich in protein and a wealth of important vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and riboflavin, eggs are a true powerhouse of nutrition. Thanks to their high protein content, eggs may reduce appetite when eaten with breakfast to give weight loss a serious boost. For example, one study in 30 overweight women showed that eating eggs for breakfast significantly increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake later in the day compared to eating a bagel. Similarly, another study in 152 adults found that replacing a bagel breakfast with eggs resulted in 65 more weight loss and a 34 greater decrease in waist circumference over an 8-week period. From boiled to scrambled to sunny side up, there are many different ways to enjoy your eggs. Try cooking up 2 or 3 eggs, any style, then combining them with a serving of your favorite veggies for a nutritious and delicious breakfast. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and activate the bell next to it. 2. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is a component of the wheat kernel that contains a concentrated amount of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, thiamine, and selenium. It's also high in fiber, boasting nearly 4 grams of fiber in each 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving. Studies show that increasing your fiber intake from cereal grains may benefit weight loss. In one study, eating a high-fiber cereal was effective at reducing appetite and food intake, as well as helping stabilize blood sugar after a meal. Another study followed over 27,000 men for a period of 8 years and found that a higher intake of cereal fiber was associated with a lower risk of weight gain. Try using wheat germ as a topping for oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt bowls to add a bit of crunch and some extra fiber to your breakfast. If you have not liked this video yet, make sure to like it now. 3. Bananas. High in fiber but low in calories, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals to satisfy your sweet tooth first thing in the morning. One medium banana has just over 100 calories yet packs 3 grams of dietary fiber, knocking out up to 12 of your daily fiber needs in one shot. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. Multiple studies have found that upping your intake of fiber from fruits and vegetables is associated with increased weight loss. Additionally, unripe bananas are a good source of resistant starch, a type of starch that your stomach and small intestine don't digest. Research suggests that resistant starch may help reduce food intake and decrease belly fat. Bananas can be enjoyed alone or sliced as a topping for yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal. You can also add unripe green bananas to your morning smoothie for a hearty dose of resistant starch. 4. Yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and satisfying, yogurt makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. In particular, Greek yogurt delivers a hearty chunk of protein in every serving, making it an ideal weight loss breakfast food. One study in 20 women found that eating high-protein yogurt as a snack decreased levels of hunger and reduced food intake by 100 calories later in the day, compared to unhealthy snacks like chocolate and crackers. Another study in 8,516 people showed that those who ate at least 7 servings of yogurt each week had a lower risk of being overweight or obese compared to those who did not regularly consume yogurt. Try combining 1 cup, 285 grams, of Greek yogurt with some mixed fruit, chia seeds, or wheat germ for an especially nutritious breakfast. Do not forget to like this video, and you can send the link of this video to your friends and acquaintances to show that you care about their health. 5. Smoothies. Not only are smoothies a quick and easy way to obtain a concentrated dose of nutrients, They also double as a convenient breakfast item that can accelerate weight loss. Since you can customize your ingredients, you can tailor your drink to fit your personal preferences. Filling your smoothies with veggies and low-calorie fruits can boost fiber intake to help you feel fuller longer. Throw in some high-protein ingredients like nuts, seeds, or protein powder to promote feelings of fullness and fight off cravings. However, keep in mind that smoothies can quickly turn into calorie bombs if you overdo the high-calorie ingredients. For an easy weight loss smoothie, blend 1 cup, 240 ml of milk with a handful of leafy greens, 2 tablespoons, 28 grams of chia seeds, and 1 cup, 144 grams of strawberries. Enjoy your smoothie throughout the morning to resist snacking and combat cravings. 6. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are all incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which may reduce hunger and food intake. In fact, one study in 12 women found that swapping a high-sugar afternoon snack for a serving of mixed berries reduced calorie intake later in the day by an average of 133 calories. Another study in 133,468 adults showed that each daily serving of berries was associated with 1.1 pounds, 0.5 kilogram of weight loss over a 4-year period. Add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to take advantage of their unique weight-busting benefits. 7. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. Besides being low in calories, grapefruits have a high water and fiber content, both of which can be beneficial for weight loss. One study in 91 obese adults showed that eating half a grapefruit before meals resulted in significant weight loss compared to a control group. In the 12-week study, participants who ate grapefruit fruit lost an average of 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kg, about 5 times more than the control group. In an 85-person study, consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice before a meal for 12 weeks and pairing it with a low-calorie diet decreased body fat mass by 1.1, increased weight loss by 7.1, and reduced calorie intake by 2029. Fresh grapefruit slices make a great addition to a well-rounded breakfast. You can also add grapefruit to parfaits, smoothies, or fruit salads. However, if you are taking any drugs, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before eating grapefruit. Certain drugs may interact with grapefruit, potentially causing some adverse effects. The bottom line: starting your day on the right foot and with the right food can make a world of difference when it comes to weight loss. Eating healthy breakfast foods can make it easier to curb cravings and stick to your weight loss goals. Keep in mind that following a weight loss diet doesn't just end with a healthy breakfast. Be sure to fill your diet with nutritious whole foods throughout the day to optimize your health and help lose weight quickly. Do not forget to like this video, and you can send the link of this video to your friends and acquaintances to show that you care about their health. As you can see, there are other videos that you can enjoy watching with just a single click. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. To see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the Healthy Life channel.